Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Here is another question from Math Olympiad. We have to simplify this expression. Let's put the value for each variable. P is 5 upon 11. Okay, minus 3 upon 7 and minus. Now observe closely. Here it's a minus sign. Okay, so we will put another bracket and write inside it. Okay. Now we will simplify it. 5 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7. Now we know that minus minus becomes plus. 7 upon 11. Okay. Now 5 upon 11 minus, we will use butterfly method for addition. If you want to know more about butterfly method, let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video for it. Now 3 into 11, 33, 7 into 7, 49 upon 7 into 11, 77. Okay, so 5 upon 11 minus 33 plus 49 is 82 upon 77. Now 77 and 11. So if you just multiply the denominator and numerator by 7, we'll find the answer. 35 minus 82 upon 77. Now 35 minus 82 is 47. 47 upon 77 with minus sign. Okay, so this is your answer, option B. I am going to post more such questions from Math Olympiad. So if you don't want to miss these amazing questions with solution, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.